Welcome to this tutorial about using surfaces in an application. To do so, you create a part, and the first thing we did was create this sketch right here, and fully dimensioned it, making sure all the lines were blue, all the dimensions were blue and the lines were green. Once that was done, then I used the revolve command to revolve it into a surface. Once we had our surface generated and it lined up on the plane I wanted, created a new sketch, which generated this extrude. That sketch is right there on the axis. Extruded it up. What's special about this extrude, I haven't gone over this before, if you come down here to draft, you can put an angle on your extrude and it will bring it in as that symbol will show. It's quite helpful when extruding or cutting objects that are not in a straight line. Once we had that in, wanted to trim extra material, but now that enclosed that, so use the second trim to trim it out. We would want to so we have that hole going through with those two trims. Trim sheet is an insert trim sheet. All these commands I'm using are found here in the display. We're in insert, combined, trim, offset scale, details, features, surface, mesh surface, sweep. They're all found in there. Next thing I did after this is I created a 4-point plane, which is right here, 4-point surface, which turned it into a body on the top. After that was in place, use the surface blind, which basically chamfers it. Then I wanted to put chamfers on the sides, so I sewed it all together so this becomes one giant part. So I could put in the edge blend right here on the sides, creating this part.